In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your site link in WP Engine. If you're looking to make updates to your site's domain or manage your online presence more effectively, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in and walk through this process together. First, you need to log into your WP Engine dashboard. This is where you'll find all the tools and settings you need to manage your site. Once you're logged in, your main dashboard displays an overview of your site activities, resources, and configurations. Navigate to the top of the page where your site environments are listed. You'll need to select the specific site environment where you want to make changes. This step is crucial if you have multiple environments, such as production, development, or staging, as it ensures you're editing the correct site. Next, head over to the Domains section found in the navigation menu. Here, you'll see an option to Add at Manage Domains. Click on it. This area allows you to manage the domains linked to your WP Engine site. Not only can you make changes to existing domains, but you can also add new ones if you need to expand your digital footprint. If your goal is to change your primary domain link, look for the domain you wish to set as primary and click Make Primary next to it. This change designates that domain as the main point of access to your website. If you need to add an entirely new domain, you can do so by following the prompts provided in the dashboard, ensuring you've entered the correct domain name to avoid any errors. After making these changes within the WP Engine environment, it's time to update your DNS settings. This might sound a bit technical, but it's a necessary step to ensure your domain points correctly to your WP Engine hosting. Access your domain registrar's website wherever you've registered your domain and update either your domain's A record or CNAME record as specified by WP Engine. These records are like addresses that direct traffic to your website, so getting them right is key to ensuring your site is accessible. After you've updated your DNS settings, click on the New Link option within WP Engine to confirm that everything is configured correctly. DNS changes might take some time to propagate across the internet, anything from a few minutes to 48 hours. Once this propagation is complete, your site will be accessible through the new link. You can check this by entering the new domain in your web browser. That's it! You've successfully edited your site link in WP Engine. Remember, keeping a note of all your changes and ensuring your settings match WP Engine's requirements will simplify this process in the future. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!